Welcome everybody. Thank you for joining me on this 10-minute core workout. Okay, no equipment is required. We will be on the ground though, so if you want to grab a exercise mat, a yoga mat, that's totally fine. We're gonna get started. Nice quick warm-up, just nice and easy. Hands on the head, twisting side to side here, okay? Exhale that breath on every single twist. Again, 10-minute workout, 2-minute warm-up, and a 1 minute each exercise, 4 exercises. All right, nice and easy. Go ahead and bring it on down to the ground here. We're gonna get on the hands and knees. Back is nice and flat. Hold right there, reach it up. One hand, the opposite leg, coming down, other side. Nice and easy. Okay, so we're just warming up everything here, warming up that core. Nice and easy, control the breathing, warm that body up. All right, last one on this side. Bring it on down. Bring it up into a high plank, reaching that hip up. Coming back down into that front plank here, okay? Again, back is nice and flat, hands right below those shoulders. Reach the bottom up. Come back down. Again, breathe in. We're almost getting ready to get started here. First exercise, we are gonna drop into a low plank here on the elbows. Great job, everybody. All right, here we go. Drop it on down, elbows down. You're always welcome to drop those knees if you need to, okay? On the toes. The wider your feet, the more easier it is gonna be for you, okay? If you want a little extra challenge, bring those feet together. Back is nice and flat. Hold it here. Pull that belly button into that spinal cord. Keep breathing. 30 more seconds. Nice job. Again, if it's 1 minute is too long for you in a plank, go ahead and drop it to the knees. All right, take a little breather, that's okay. And then bring it on back up into that perfect plank form. All right, abs are engaged. Everything is engaged here, okay? Core is nice and tight. Back is nice and flat. Hands are down on that ground. All right, 5 more seconds, and then we're gonna flip it onto the back here. All right, good job, everybody. Flip it on back. Getting into some V sit-ups here, okay? V sit-ups, hands above the head. Reaching on up right here, okay? If you need a modification, you can bend those knees as well. If that's still too challenging for you, go ahead and just do one leg at a time. That's okay. Getting those shoulders off that ground as much as you can. All right, so you got options here, okay? Do what your body allows you to do. You're still challenging yourselves no matter what modification you're doing. Ten more seconds. All right, third exercise coming up. Again, we got 2 rounds, 4 moves, 15-second breather in between the 2 rounds. All right, go ahead and relax. Bring it on down. We are gonna sit it on up. Hands right behind the back. Feet out, feet tucks. All right, that's too easy for you with the hands behind your back. Go ahead and bring it, no hands. All the way out, all the way in. Try not to drop the feet to the ground, okay? If that's too challenging for you, 1 knee at a time, okay? Yeah, it's all about building up that strength here, okay? Nice and easy. As long as you're in control, okay? As long as you have that proper, perfect form. Exhaling that breath as you bring those knees in. 15 more seconds. Great job, everybody. All right, 4th move, final move. Feet are up, hands above the head. Reaching on up for those toes. Okay, try to get those legs as straight up as you can here, okay? Reaching up nice and high, getting your shoulder blades off the mat or off the ground. Exhale again as you come on up, as you squeeze those abs, you want to breathe out all that air. Good job, everybody. We got 20 more seconds. You're gonna do what you can. We'll take a breather after this. Then we're gonna go back into that plank. Okay, I'm gonna give you a little bit extra challenge if that was too easy for you. And relax, everybody. 15 seconds, grab some water, take a quick breather. Nice job. Again, it's about controlling the breathing here. All right, abs are probably on fire now. That's where we want to be. All right, back into that high plank. Again, drop it into that low, okay, right there on the elbows. Again, you can drop to the knees if you need to. All right, again, I'm gonna add that challenge. Single leg, low planks here. One leg up, nice and easy. Straight leg. Other side. If that's your challenge point, just stay right here. Again, you're working that progress here, okay? Working on those planks. Even if you're on your knees, that's okay. All right? Okay, but if you have one foot up, you're gonna switch sides. Other foot up. Keep it breathing, keep that back flat. Glutes are engaged back in the legs. Switch sides if you got that one foot up. Great job, everybody. Almost there, 5 more seconds. I'm going back into those V sit-ups. All right, go ahead and relax. Flip it over, V sit-ups. One leg, knees bent. Both legs, huge shoes, challenge yourself. Get final round here. All right, so those are single ones here. All right, again, extra challenge, double them up. Good job, everyone. Keep it going. 30 more seconds here. Okay, again, options right here. Single legs, knee bent, both knees bent. All right, you decide. It's your workout in the end. Ten more seconds. Then we go into those knee tucks. Final time. Keep it breathing. All right, bring it on up. Knee tucks, feet out. Again, those options. One knee, two knees, no hands, you pick. All right, so again, you need that example. You do one right here. Lower impact, that's okay. Both knees, no hands. Pick your challenge, all right? 30 more seconds. All right, so you can be here. It's okay. Keep breathing. Abs are burning. Final move is coming up. Okay, again, toe taps. Let's reach it on up, okay? 15 more seconds. Keep breathing. Feel the burn. You guys got this, okay? Almost there, 5 more seconds. All right, lay it on down. Reach those feet up, hands above the head. Reach on up for those toes. Nice and easy. Again, you can drop to, you can bend the knees too if you need to. Just right here, working that as well, okay? $30 more seconds. Almost there, everybody. Stay strong. Feel the burn. Right there in the abs. Legs are straight. "15 seconds. Feet up. time. Great job, everybody. Go ahead and bring those knees in nice and easy. Hold them towards the chest. Nice, easy breathing. Great job today. All right, go next in. Roll it on over onto that stomach here. Let's stretch out those abs just a little bit. Chin up, hips down to the mat. All right, sit it on back. Nice, good child pose here. Sitting that bottom back onto those heels. Hands are extended outwards, facing the ground. All right, bring it on up, everybody. Give yourselves a hand, great job. Thank you for joining me again.